Hi everyone, my name is Harshiit Gupta. I have completed my graduation from Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Landra. I got to know about the ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited from during my academic session. I have done a course of 45 days during my academic year, and then I got to know about the courses they are providing in the Java itself. So I'm pursuing my Java course here under the guidance of Kanika ma'am. She helped me a lot. She guided me very well. She helped me with the many things in the code Java and got to know about the swings and the JSP, the Hibernate, the database, and then many more things. She helped me to understand my concepts and provide me better opportunities. So with the help of her and their guidance, I got an offer letter or placement in RedBlink Technologies as a Java trainee, and I'm very thankful to ThinkNEXT for providing such a great opportunity. And if you are coming to an IT sector, you should do a proper certification or a course that is required in the IT sector itself. So I suggest you to pursue your trainee or certificates from ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited, and it is a ISO certified company, so they will guide you and provide you better opportunities and a platform as well.